Hi there, my name is Peter Vox and I am the director of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our videos. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. So check out the links below in the description. We have the Ultimate Online Singing Course, private in-studio singing lessons at our 6 Melbourne studios, or online singing lessons 7 days a week all around the world. So check out the links there. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below and I will attempt to get to as many of them as I possibly can. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question. Can the Ultimate Online Singing Course help a bad singer? Yes, the Ultimate Online Singing Course has myself, and I have nearly 30 years of professional teaching experience, and my other female teachers that are on the videos are professional singing teachers, and we will guarantee improvements in even the worst singer. So please check out the videos. We have free trial videos, so you can check it out and trial it free for 5 days. That being said, you will need to practice at least 5 days a week and follow the instructions on the videos diligently to get the results that you want, even for the worst singer. We guarantee this. We guarantee singing results in just 3 weeks, but you have to practice 5 days a week, at least for 25 minutes for those 5 days. Half of that scales, half of that singing, applying the skills we're learning into the scales directly into the singing. So yes, the entry-level course is specifically designed for beginners and hobby singers. We also have 17 custom courses that start at $14.95 US. They cover numerous singing topics. We also have 4 full courses, entry-level, intermediate, advanced, and professionals, with myself, as I said, and my other singing professional teachers guiding you step by step through all of the courses and instructions. If we could help you or yourself out with any singing lessons or the Ultimate Online Singing Course, please check out the links below. But most importantly, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and love.